communicating your price. Should you put your prices on your website? This is also an interesting subject. The opinions differ on the subject. Some designers think that talking prices is best to do individually with the clients and not to give away anything before even talking about the project. And because every project is different, and that's true, of course. But other designers think that it's good to show your prices on the website before talking to the client. I also think this helps. I believe if you don't show your prices, some potential clients won't take the trouble to ask and wait for a response, and you can lose some potential clients this way. So people also want fast answers these days. So giving indication really helps. But most importantly for me, it's a good way to filter out the clients that has no real budget and that think they can be done with $500, for example. So here you see 3 packages that I offer on my websites. You have basic, premium, and custom made, like tailor-made. And so the clients can see right away in what area they can think of in terms of money. So what's important to mention if you offer these packages is that I communicate the prices are from prices, and beneath the packages it says the rates are price indications. So as every project is different, the final price will vary. So the client knows the price is not fixed, and there will be unique pricing plans for them for each project.